So, you've decided to start keeping chicken? Congratulations! It looks easy, right? Feed them, collect eggs, and enjoy fresh omelets every morning. But here is the truth. Most new keepers make small mistakes that later cost them time, money, and sometimes their entire flock. In this video, I'll share the top 7 common mistakes beginners make and how you can easily avoid them and keep your birds healthy and happy. Mistake number 1. Overcrowding the coop. Many beginners pack too many birds in a small space thinking it saves money. But overcrowding causes stress, feather pecking, slower growth, and diseases. Each bird needs space to move freely. About 2 square feet per chicken inside the coop or even more outside. So, start small. Give them space and expand as you grow. Mistake number 2. Poor ventilation. A stuffy closed coop may look warm, but it's actually dangerous. Without proper ventilation, ammonia builds up and makes the chicken cough and fall sick. Make sure your coop has small windows or vents that allow air to flow in and keep the cold out. Mistake number 3. Using the wrong feed. Feeding all chicken the same feed is a common beginner mistake. Baby chicks need starter feed. Growers need high protein. And layers need calcium-rich feed for strong eggs. Always feed according to age. And make sure the feed is dry and fresh. Moldy feed can make your chicken sick. Mistake number 4. Ignoring cleanliness. Chicken love clean, dry spaces, but new keepers forget to clean often. Dirty coops attract mites, flies, and diseases. Change the beddings weekly, clean feeders and trinkers, and disinfect with mild vinegar and ash water. A clean coop means happy, healthy bird and fewer losses. Mistake number 5. Not protecting from predators. Rats, dogs, hawks, and even snakes can wipe your entire flock in one night. Always secure your coop with wire mesh, close the doors at night, and keep the feed tightly closed. Mistake number 6. Skipping health checks and vaccination. Always follow vaccination schedule, especially against Newcastle, Gumboro, and fowlpox. Sometimes we assume chicken are fine until one suddenly dies. Observe your chicken's behavior daily. Are they eating well? Do they have drooping wings or pale combs? These are small signs that warn you early. Use natural remedies like garlic, aloe vera, and ginger to boost their immune system. But always isolate a sick bird immediately. Mistake number 7. No records or planning. If you don't write down your cost and egg count, you'll never know if your farm is making a profit or not. Record keeping is everything. Feed, medicine, eggs. Good records help you adjust your feeding and know if you are making a profit. Bonus tip. Start small, learn daily, and be patient. Don't compare your beginning with someone's 5-year success. With love and good management, your chicken will thrive. So there you have it. Keeping chicken can be one of the most rewarding things if done right and if you learn from others' mistakes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe and share with your fellow chicken lovers.